Do you struggle to lose weight? Have you tried every diet on the planet and nothing works? Do you often start a diet and then 2 weeks later give in to your cravings? Are you taking lots of medications with unpleasant side effects that fix the problem but don't actually treat the cause? I'm Dr. Eric Westman. As an obesity medicine physician and researcher at Duke University, I've successfully used keto diets to treat my patients in my clinic for over 25 years. I've helped thousands of people from all over the world reverse diabetes, obesity, metabolic syndrome, and get off their medications just by changing what they eat. But I don't just use any keto diet off the internet. My keto diet is different, and it's backed by solid science. You don't need to eat gobs of fat or measure your ketones. And the best part of it is that it's sustainable just by eating delicious food. Grab your seat in my free course and I'll show you why my method is the most effective way to lose weight and stop cravings. I'll teach you exactly which foods to eat and which to avoid, without counting calories or worrying about macros. You'll learn all the conditions that will improve dramatically and quickly, including real-world results. I'll teach you what to do before getting started and even the lab tests that will help you monitor your progress along the way. Let me help you. You can do this.